Good morning, everyone. Yesterday completed an amazing week in which 5 of the G10 central banks held policy board meetings. All of them are on hold for the time being, but we expect that this period of monetary quiet is only temporary. And sooner or later, we're going to get some market-moving changes in policy. Yesterday was the turn of the ECB and the Bank of England. Both of them remained on hold. In the case of the ECB, they revised down their forecasts, but are still forecasting a recovery in the second half of the year, so it would be contradictory for them to change policy now. However, their inflation forecast for 2014 is now only 1.3%. That's dangerously low in relation to their target range of below but close to 2%, and Draghi admitted that they did discuss a rate cut. We think the hawks on the council are preventing a cut now, but if the recovery fails to arrive on time, a rate cut would be the likely response and Eurodollar would fall further, which is our core scenario. For today, we see a pullback towards the trend line violated yesterday at 130.35, assuming the non-farm payrolls come in at least as expected. Meeting this initial intraday target may then call for completing the reversal of yesterday's move to 129.60. The Bank of England also kept policy unchanged, including its target for quantitative easing, but with Chancellor Osborne set to change the bank's remit at the budget later this month, we look for further declines in cable. For now, we see a fulfillment of yesterday's intraday target of 149.20 with a subsequent one at 148.60 as we gradually look to approach our longer-term target of 147 the figure. And today, of course, is non-farm payrolls days in the U.S. This is usually the biggest market-moving economic indicator of the month. Traders should anticipate increased volatility, especially following the major gains in the euro yesterday. It's pretty much a coin toss whether the figure surprises on the upside or the downside. It surprised on the upside 3 times and the downside twice in the last 5 months, so there's no real guidance available there. I'm in the investment business, not in the betting business, so I won't give you any advice on how to play it. As Humphrey Bogart said, you pay your money and you take your choice. This is Marshall Gittler, head of Global FX Strategy at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.